What's good, YouTube? Hey y'all, it's summer. It's May, which is pretty much summer in Houston because it's starting to hit 90 degrees. So you know it's time for a summer style shoot. Get y'all's Instagrams looking good for the summer, and of course we're gonna do this baby on the iPhone because I love y'all, and I'm gonna edit on the iPhone too, so y'all better watch this whole video. I better get that retention. Anyways, if you're new here, I take photos of myself and I show you guys how to do it too. So I'm using my regular, this is just a regular tripod, and I have this Movo tripod attachment currently attached to my little stand that I use at my desk. So I'm just gonna unscrew it and then we're gonna screw that baby onto the tripod. Our Movo attachment is screwed onto the tripod. This is where my phone will go. Alright y'all, so I'm setting up the lights actually, and I'm just gonna use my front camera on my phone to determine what I'm doing. So since it's a partial body fit, I'm just trying to light like part of my body. So that's where the light setup is gonna be. The best way to determine if you're lit is to stand in front of the light so you can see if you feel like yo lit. Do I feel lit? Are there not too many shadows going on behind me?
Where's Da Vinci?
Hey, so I'm back. We're gonna shoot another look. Yellow background this time.
I don't know how I feel. Like I'm gonna go
snowboarding, but at the same time it's summer look. Alright, y'all, we're doing the same phone, camera, connect deal. So we just finished the yellow backdrop. I'm trying to I kind of go and shoot the next backdrop today, so we're gonna knock out the last backdrop.